What's up, guys? Get ready as we delve into Rihanna Cradle's baby bump alongside asaprocky at Smurfs' global premiere. In the vibrant world of celebrity news, few moments captivate the public quite like those involving beloved icons like Rihanna and asaprocky. When these two megastars stepped out together at the global premiere of the latest Smurfs movie, the event was destined to make headlines. But it wasn't just their star power that drew attention, it was the sight of Rihanna, blowing and cradling her baby bump, that truly stole the show. As fans and onlookers alike gushed over the couple, the premiere turned into a celebration of family, love, and the joy of new beginnings. The premiere took place in a dazzling venue filled with fans, press, and the who's who of Hollywood. Dressed to impress, Rihanna wore a stunning outfit that highlighted her baby bump, effortlessly blending elegance with a touch of playful flair. Asaprocky, ever the stylish counterpart, complemented her look with his own unique fashion statement. Together, they were a vision of modern love, showcasing the essence of partnership in a public sphere often filled with scrutiny. As the couple made their way down the red carpet, cameras flashed, capturing every moment. Fans cheered, and the atmosphere buzzed with excitement. Rihanna stopped to pose, placing her hand on her bump, an endearing gesture that sent waves of adoration through the crowd. It was a moment that transcended the typical glitz and glamour of Hollywood events. This was a celebration of life and love. Rihanna's pregnancy has added a new layer to her already multifaceted career. Known for her groundbreaking music, fashion ventures, and philanthropic efforts, she has always been a trendsetter. Now, as a soon-to-be mother, she embodies a new kind of empowerment. The way she confidently presents her pregnancy challenges traditional norms and inspires countless fans who see her as a role model. While many expectant mothers might shy away from the spotlight, Rihanna embraces it. Her appearance at the Smurfs premiere was a testament to this bold attitude. By choosing to showcase her journey, she not only normalizes pregnancy in the public eye but also encourages other women to feel beautiful and confident during this transformative time. Asaprocky's presence at the premiere further emphasized the couple's unity. He has been a steadfast supporter of Rihanna, both personally and professionally. Their relationship has blossomed in the public eye, with fans admiring their chemistry and commitment to one another. Asaprocky's playful demeanor and loving glances at Rihanna demonstrated the bond they share, making their appearance at the premiere even more special. In an industry often marked by fleeting relationships, Rihanna and asaprocky represent a refreshing narrative of love and partnership. Their dynamic is not just about the glitz of celebrity culture, it reflects a deep emotional connection that resonates with fans. Through their public moments, they have painted a picture of a modern family, one that is filled with support, joy, and mutual respect. The Smurfs premiere was more than just a red carpet event, it was a celebration of family entertainment. The film, a continuation of the beloved franchise, resonates with audiences of all ages. As the couple took their seats among other attendees, it was clear that this was an occasion meant to bring families together. The whimsical world of the Smurfs has always been about friendship, adventure, and resilience. For Rihanna and asaprocky, attending this premiere as new parents added a layer of significance. They are stepping into a chapter that involves nurturing a child, and what better way to celebrate than by supporting a film that embodies family values? Rihanna and asaprocky's journey into parenthood is poised to have a significant impact on their fans and society at large. In a world where celebrity